sa mga mainit na issue ngayon, yung sa face shield naman. Can you just clarify once and for all yung isang tweet po ni SP Soto na sinabi na last night, the President agreed that face shield should only be used in hospitals. Ano po ba ang naging pahayag ni Pangulong Duterte ukol dito? Kayo na po ang mismong magsabi sa publiko.
Hindi ko po sinagot ito kanina doon sa Siemens vaccination dahil alam ko magagalit ang Malacanang press corps if I did. But I can only confirm what Senate President Tito Soto and what Senator Joel Villanueva said earlier, that the President did say that the wearing of face shields should only be in hospitals.
Pero coming from this statement po, Secretary Roque, paano na po yung, magkakaroon po ba ng bagong polisiya yung IATF? Magkakaroon po ba tayo ng updated guidelines on this?
Well, alam nyo, ang IATF is recommendatory to the President, no? And when the President has decided, then that's the policy. This is without prejudice to IATF appealing, possibly, no? Alam nyo kasi, ang posisyon naman ng DOH, may mga pagkakataon talaga na dapat isuot pa yung face shield, no? At ito po yung lalong-lalo na kapag nasa indoors na maraming tao. So, I think the possible move of IATF now is to appeal what the President said and what was repeated to the public by the Senate President and Senator Villanueva.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.